Welcome to another Women and a series with Nzetobo Sigwe Ezikolomu. Today I want to discuss unlocking the mystery of alligator pepper. Unlocking the mystery of alligator pepper. Ose-Oji. Alligator pepper is Ose-Oji. The Igbo name is Ose-Oji. In the Bible say gini, Ose-Oji anaghị eji ọgụ ififele. Ose-Oji anaghị eji ọgụ ifele. Which means Ose-Oji does not get involved in a lost battle. Ose-Oji is a natural spice. It's a natural spice. It's not man-made. It's natural. It's like, I don't know what I should call it, spiritual pepper. We have physical pepper we used to cook. You know, they call it alligator pepper. It's pepper. It's peppery. It's peppery, but it's not the kind of pepper you use for cooking. This one is for spiritual purposes. It's one of the sacred items in our Igbo world cosmology. I see no Ose-Oji ade jog ifefele. Ose-Oji ahe jog ifele. So you do not involve alligator pepper and it will not come out positive. If you are cooking, if you do not put pepper, if you do not add pepper, you will notice the difference. And once pepper comes in, you will also notice the difference. It sweetens your food. That's how Ose-Oji also sweetens your life. I want to give this caveat because most times when we talk about some of these spiritual items or rituals that we do, people think that there are no rules attached to it. That if you do this one, it works for you. No. There are these things that comes with condition. Akao ya adosha. Akao ya adosha. And what you are using it for has to be for a legitimate purpose. Oh, na akara adosha, you are involving Ose-Oji. You experience lost battle. You lose the battle. Our people say omi feji gide godo ofo, omi feji de ofo. So you must ensure that you are holding ofo. Any people Ose-Oji ade eje ogu ififele. Okwu maka onye ji ofo. Okwu maka onye ji ofo. Okwu maka onye aka ede ocha. It's for someone that he or she, their hands are clean. If your hands are not clean and you are talking about Ose-Oji ade eje ogu ififele, that you will not have a lost battle, then I'm sorry. It's not going to do anything for you. Just like whenever I talk about Nzu, it's for those with clean hands, those with pure hearts. It's the same way with Ose-Oji. It's for those with clean hands and those with pure hands. Once your hands are clean and your hearts are pure, trust me, Ose-Oji, you will see the difference it will make in your life. Ose-Oji is among the prayer items we have, and you should never be found wanting of Ose-Oji. Anywhere you are in the world, make sure you do not lack this alligator pepper. Make sure you do not lack alligator pepper. Ose-Oji ade jog ififele. The common use for Ose-Oji is cleansing, purification. That's the common use for Ose-Oji. Iji ejucha onweru. We call purification unjucha. How do you do it? At times, you just get one seed of Ose-Oji. You either do it like this. Now, 4 times around your head. See if you amanam. You are cleansing yourself. If you amanam, and you throw it away. And you must throw it where you will not pass. If you are doing it inside the house, you can throw it inside the toilet and flush out. Or you can throw it inside the sink. You don't throw it on the floor and still pass where you throw it. So you take it around your head 4 times. Ose-Oji ade jog ififele and throw it away. Or at times you do what we call unjucha. You are doing it like this, and you take it like this. You cleanse your body down to the leg. You take it again down to the leg. And you throw away. At times, some people use 4 seed to do it. Personally, I prefer to use one. Then what I do with 4 or 3 is to chew it. You can use it to energize yourself. There are times you will feel that you feel somehow, you feel lots of, should I call it psychic energy? I'll just pick three Ose-Oji and chew it. Then there are times when I used to have some negative dreams, or if I go a long run without having some series of important dreams, there is what I call important dreams for a long time, or I wake up, I don't used to remember again my dreams. It's something unusual. I will use 7 alligator pepper. I'll get 7 alligator pepper. I'll add it in the water I will use to bath, to use it to cleanse myself, to cleanse all up or eba posho. It's such a posho. Now, because osho is at times a kind of spiritual cobweb, a kind of spiritual death. These spiritual cobwebs, spiritual death, kind of slows your psychic body, and you are not, your spiritual consciousness is no longer high as it's supposed to be. Your network is no longer high as it's supposed to be, because as a spiritual being, someone with spiritual vibration, high spiritual vibration, there are some things you should be getting, you should be feeling before it happens to you. You should be able to say things before it happens to you. You should be able to sense danger before it happens. But once your spiritual consciousness is low, because of aura, because of osho, you will not be able to feel this vibration. Man is supposed to feel vibration. Your antenna, spiritual antenna, is supposed to be at alert. You should be able to sense danger, not just physically, but spiritually. It comes to you. You'll be having that feeling. So when your spiritual consciousness is low, is dense, you will not have this feeling. So Ose-Oji comes to the rescue. Ijili sabaro, ono nke ya ajụjụ onwe gị, jụchasị onwe gị. Ono nke ya eji wee saa esa ahụ, ono nke ya ata, you can eat it, you can chew it, you can use it to cleanse your body, you can use it to take a bath. What are the situations these things can come into play? Ose-Oji can come into play. I've said bad dreams. Second one, crowd. Whenever you get involved, you stay much with crowd. Trust me, once you separate yourself from the crowd, you need to use Ose-Oji, because I always say it, I can't go in crowd. I can't go in crowd. Whenever you mix yourself and you see yourself in the midst of crowd, once you come out, cleanse yourself, because you have interacted with a lot of energies and which you know nothing about, and you don't need those kind of energy to go home with you. So we just see you. Then thirdly, burials. If you come back from burial, whenever you come back from burial, just see you. Burial place is strong with oracle. And you know that burial is a ceremony that involves both the living and the dead. Anytime you are in a burial ceremony, just know that there are a lot of dead people amongst you there. It's just that you are not seeing them. Burial ceremony is one ceremony that comes with a lot of, it drains energy. And you have interacted with a lot of forces that you might not want, or you might not need, or you might not be desirous of the association. So if it's the one that you need to bath with alligator pepper, you take a bath with it. Another one is being intimate with the wrong person. I've said it. Nothing drains someone's spiritual consciousness like sexual act. And especially once you are doing it with someone that you are not married to, it drains you. And if you are also doing it with the wrong person, it finishes you. So whenever you see yourself in this kind of situation, if you are sensitive, if you do it, you feel it. Once you feel it immediately, look for Ose-Oji. Trouble Ose-Oji, you just see one way. Such as a wash on our home. Don't allow that thing to fester in your body. That energy, that wrong vibration. You try to use Ose-Oji to restore your consciousness, your state, where you're supposed to be. Like I said, in this type of situation, you bathe with some, you cleanse yourself with some, you eat some. That's why I always prefer to eat three, because three is about balance. So I'm teaching this topic today because I realize that I have not done something about this topic. Because moving on, I may start teaching some teachings that has to do more with morals. Let me go into what I call now the mystery of alligator pepper. What I've explained so far is what basic. So I just want to share just one mystery of alligator pepper with you. This thing is very powerful. Ose-Oji, indeed, Ose-Oji is very powerful now. What you are seeing, how it's covered now, if I more masquerade, you cannot say how many seeds is inside. Nobody can correctly predict how many seed is inside. Anything you cannot correctly predict is a mystery. Anything that you cannot decipher is a mystery. This is a mystery. That's why when you want to open it, you don't open it. Nihu. I say which year nazo. Well, because it's a mystery. More the face jam hana more. That's why if you go to some okumwo, if you see those who are administering them, they are coming in, they will be doing they are trying to tell the spirit, the unseen beings, that a human being is coming in. Some at times in their spiritual chambers, they knock before entering, before coming in. You know, when in sacred places you see some kind of rituals they do. Why do they do all those things? It's because a human eye is about to make contact with spiritual beings, unseen beings. So, and when this thing happens without preparedness, at times there might be an effect to the physical side. So in our own case, this is a mystery. If I have more, that's why you don't open it as in bah, just like that. It's an insult to alligator pepper to just a doorway like that. You have to respect it because it's a spirit. For only one of its seed, for you to remove a lot of spiritual death, because it's not physical death. Physical death is what you use to remove it, and soap. But what this thing does removes is spiritual death. Some of you will try it today. You understand what I'm saying. Before you go to bed, you can use it to cleanse yourself. Let's see if and you spot the difference. So you don't open it just bow like that. No, you take it back to open it. But that's not even where I'm going now. The mysterious side that I'm going is that you are not even going to open it. You are not what? Going to open it. Get one full alligator pepper like this. Don't open it. Don't open it. You tell the alligator pepper, you remind the alligator pepper. No Ose-Oji, anaghị eje ọgụ ifele. Ose-Oji, anaghị eje ọgụ ifele. You drop it at your spiritual altar. N'otu Ose-Oji anaghị esighị eje ọgụ ife ifele. Bido taa gawa na mmụọ, you call your name. Anyị adịghị eje n'izi ọgụ ife ifele. Mmadụ eje n'izi ọgụ ife ifele. As in, like, let me say it in English. As this alligator pepper does not go involved in any battle, in a lost battle, so shall I, you call your name, will never be involved in any lost battle from today onwards. You now drop the alligator pepper. Now you tell the alligator pepper, no so me no ni so lugo. Na bido ta agawa ni yeso. Ebe na alu olu ni yeso. Nifa na eme ni yeso. Maka no so, wiso isonye. Oso so n'ife eji eme eze. Oso n'ife eji agwa anụ. Oso n'ife eji eme ife oriri. Oso n'ife eji eme mmanwụ. So n'ihi esocha n'ife niile eji ose wee bido taa gaba. Now you drop this particular alligator pepper on your wall. Like I said, you leave it there at your prayer altar. After praying to your chi and Ndishi in the morning, you now take out Tunzu and repeat that prayer on top of the Ose. Bidota agaba na me solugo ko. Bidota agawa muwa esolugo. And namaya de jogo ifele. That's all. Every morning, just say it at the Ose. Mind you, you are not worshiping the Ose. You do not worship the Ose. And this thing does not take the place of your prayer to your chi and Ndishi. Once you finish your daily prayers to your chi and Ndishi, if you are following this channel steady very well, you know that I always say, as in, don't joke with your prayers to your chi and Ndishi. I always say it. Obronko eji ahụ okike eji ahụ akpa. Ejiri ife eji agbara ntị agbara anya. Give to Caesar what belongs to Caesar. Don't joke with your prayers to your chi and Ndishi. Is when once you are done with your prayers to your chi and Ndishi, you come to that uso that you dropped at your prayer altar and drop unzu, just a sprinkle of unzu, a seguno. Abidota agawa na me esolugo. Na me eso no bosita. And na ma ye jog if you feel it. That's all. I want you to experience the mystery of Ose-Oji, the mystery of alligator pepper. And you know that alligator pepper is what? Mao. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share. I would like to hear from some of you. If you have any question, please, you can reach me through the number on the screen or my email address or my other social media handles. Thank you. Thank you.